Creamy, ultra cheesy, and super indulgent Keto Mac and Cheese prepared with cauliflower, bacon, and cheddar cheese. Just because you're on a low carb or keto diet, it doesn't mean you should forget about your favorite childhood meal. The best Keto Mac and Cheese recipe. If you've been missing your favorite pasta dinners, I have got one delicious and healthy solution for you. It's this really easy cauliflower mac and cheese casserole. From start to finish, you can make it in about 30 minutes, and, I promise you, it's delicious. I know, I really do know that cauliflower is not macaroni, nor potatoes, nor rice, but it's a really good substitute for all those things. Have you tried my loaded mashed cauliflower? Or my chicken and cauliflower rice? Do it. You'll see that cauliflower can save the day for those trying to cut down on carbs. Having said that, cauliflower mac and cheese is also a rich and creamy comfort food without the added carbs. It can stand alone, served as a main dish, or serve it with roast chicken or pulled pork. How to make keto mac and cheese. Keto mac and cheese is perfect for anyone with a macaroni cheese craving that can't eat real macaroni. I know. But, tender cauliflower and crispy bacon and a super creamy cheese sauce can help. Hear me out. 1. First, you want to break up a head of cauliflower into florets and add those to boiling water. Cook, covered, for about 8 minutes, or until tender. 2. Drain cauliflower in a colander and set aside. 3. Add milk, or cream, and soften cream cheese to a saucepan. Gently whisk until the cream cheese is completely melted. 3. I use the same saucepan, or pot, for boiling the cauliflower and for making the sauce. 3. Less pots and pans to wash. 4. Stir in some garlic powder, chili powder, dried herbs, salt, and pepper. 4. Just add whatever other herbs and spices that you like. 5. Whisk in shredded cheddar cheese and shredded mozzarella cheese. 5. You can also use different cheeses, Gruyere, Gouda, Monterey Jack, etc. But, whatever cheese you choose, make sure it is shredded because it needs to quickly melt into the cream sauce. 6. Once the sauce is smooth, stir in the drained cauliflower. Gently stir around so that the cauliflower is covered with the cheese sauce. 7. Transfer cauliflower to a 9x13 baking dish and bake, uncovered, for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until hot and bubbly. 7. I also like to add a topping of pork rind panko crumbs for a nice crunch. 8. While that bakes, dice up few slices of bacon and fry until crispy. 9. Remove casserole from oven, top with prepared bacon, and serve. Richly flavored and utterly delicious, cauliflower mac and cheese is thick and creamy without any use of flour, so it's also gluten-free. Basically, what I'm trying to say is not to swear off comfort food just because of a diet. Is cheese keto-friendly? Yes. Thank goodness. But, always remember this, in moderation. Yes, cheese is totally acceptable on a low-carb and keto diet, but don't add it to every meal. Cheese still has calories, and too much cheese equals too many calories, and that's not going to help with losing weight. What should I serve with cauliflower mac and cheese? 1. Baked shrimp scampi. 2. Instant pot pork loin. 3. Air fryer Brussels sprouts. 4. Garlicky lemon parmesan broccoli. How to store leftovers. 1. Store completely cooled keto mac and cheese in an airtight container and keep refrigerated for up to 3 days. 2. Reheat in microwave.